Great people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shion Digital. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online, and this is legit way to make money online. So if you want to know how to do so, you want to stick around to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed on this channel, can you do so by clicking on the subscribe button, and it's very important you click on the bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping the next video. So I'll be right back shortly. Welcome back, guys. So this is the website I'm talking about. This website will fetch you money. So how does it work? Now, if you can see, I have 41 clicks already. I have made over. I've made 2,288. It's not up to cents. So now, how does this work, and how can you earn money with this? You need to understand how it works. So if you understand how it works, then you can make money. So I'm going to show you how it works. Now, the first thing you need to do is create an account. You have to have an account with them. And how can you have an account with them? It's very simple. Just go to the website. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's go straight so that I can show you. Let me log out my account so that I can show you how you can also have an account with these people. Adfly. Now this is the website. We have a lot of websites like Adfly. We have bit.ly. We have short links. We have tiny links. We have a lot like that. So this one is guaranteed to fetch you money. All of those ones, I don't know, especially for Bitly, they don't fetch any money. They don't give any money. You just use them. I've been using them for years before I realized that, oh, this platform is wonderful. So these people, just click on join now, put in your details, put in your name, put in your name. So put in your email again. Then here, make sure you select the first one that say link shrinker, create shortened URLs and earn money. Click on that one. Then agree to the terms and condition. Put in your password. Okay. Then proud this WDGZCC. Then click on sign up. Because I have account with them already, I don't have to sign up again. So I'm just gonna log into my account and then continue from there. So this is my account. See, I have 43 people already that have clicked. Why I'm having clicked like this, I'm gonna show you what I've done or what I did that helps me to get clicks, and how getting clicks. Now Facebook does not allow these people. They don't allow them. So if you copy the link on Facebook, you can try it. It's not gonna go. They will tell you that this link is not it does not go with the guideline on Facebook or community guideline or something like that. But I will show you ways you can do how to go about posting into your WhatsApp people. You can create a broadcast on your WhatsApp list, create a broadcast, send it out to them. But before you send it out to them, you have to tell them you want to give them something valuable, because it's very important. If you don't give valuable, people valuable things, people won't click on your link. So you have to promise them a valuable something that will make them to click on the link to get whatever you've promised them. So okay, let's continue. By now, the next thing you want to do, you want to click on your account to set up the account, put your details, your address, your location, then and here they accept two payment option. They have PayPal and they have Payoneer. Now I have PayPal, and so I put in my PayPal email address. Now PayPal in Nigeria and some other African country and some other country like that, people is not allowed to receive money, and they can only send money. Likewise, Nigeria, we can't receive money through PayPal, we can only send money. But congratulations, because I've done a video on how you can sign up PayPal that will allow you to receive and send money. So you may want to check that link on the description section. So you may want to watch that video and sign up your own PayPal for free. I did it for free, so you can watch that video and learn how to do so. So that's that. So once you sign up that paper, once you finish the paper the way I've explained in that video, put in the email here. Then the next thing you're doing is okay, referrals. Now if you refer people to this site, you get money. You also get money. You have 20% earning for life on all their earning. You have 20% earning for life. So I will drop my referral link in the description box. You may want to check that out too. So you may want to click it to sign up. Oh, thank you so much for doing that. Now the next thing you want to do is also, if you have a website, you can use their banner on your websites. And if you check my website shiondigital.com, I have the banner there already. So then another thing you want to do is you can only withdraw your money once you get to $5. Once you get to $5, you'll be able to withdraw your money. $5, just $5. So you will be able to withdraw your money. But my money has not gotten to that amount. So the next thing you want to do is now shrink your links. Let's assume you have a long, very long link like this. Let me show you like this, a long link like this. This is an ebook link. So if I copy this link, this link, let's see how long it is. You see, it's too long. You can't give this link to someone. I go to https :/drive. It's too long to give to people. So you want to shrink this link. So that's what the website is really meant for. It helps you to shrink links. So just copy the link here, then shrink, and then copy. Shrink and copy. Then once I copy it, this is how it looks. You can see http rabonico. So if you send this one to people, to anybody, this is still very reasonable to click on time, because it's very short. So once you shorten the link, so the next thing you want to do is you want to paste the link in your WhatsApp group for people to access whatever you want to promise them. You want to post the link as a broadcast to your WhatsApp. You want to put it on your status so that people can view and click it once you promise them something. Then you want to use it on your Telegram. Then you want to use it anywhere you think, and you want to send it as an email to people. Then this is another one. You can see this thing is increasing for 40. It was 41 before I started this video. Now it's 43. So what do? I go to this website, so you can check on this website too. It's called Pastebin. This Pastebin, what this site does is just, if you sign up with them, or you may not even sign up with them, just sign up with them. Then see what I said. I said learn how to turn your text to an animation in 20 seconds. Do you know you can convert your written content to animation click the link, click this to check it out. So I dropped the link here. So if anybody, so people will be clicking an hour ago. I did that an hour ago. So people will be clicking it and you are getting your money. So I think that will be the end. That will be the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you may want to drop it down in the comment section. I will reply you immediately. And also, if you have not subscribed, consider to subscribe on this channel also, and click on the bell, because clicking on the bell is very important so that you will know whenever I drop the next video, because I drop video or I drop video every day. So click on that bell. Don't forget to do so, and I will see you later in my next video.